We are under a week out from rounding off the month of June, and that means July is knocking on the door. Now, so far this month, definitely we've been starting to work into those warmer summer-like temperatures as our average temperature is above normal by about 4 degrees. Now, precipitation, we at least have over 3/4 of an inch, so that's a good number on the board. We do still have a deficit, but we have some drought conditions that have been developing, so we know we have that deficit there, and we definitely want to do some work at filling that void, and we may have some chances here before we round off here the end of June, as what we're noting is that here as we roll into our Wednesday and Thursday, we have some thundery chances, and we are getting some strong easterly pull, even a little bit southeasterly, which taps into a strong tropical moisture plume that moves in, and that could allow for some areas of our thunderstorms to get that tap of moisture and allow for some areas of some good downpours within some of these thunderstorms. So not only will we talk severe threat, but there could be some flooding matching up with that. But with the more widespread chance for some thunderstorms on Thursday, that is due to a cold front that will be sliding on through, allowing for some cooling. So we've been working with some warmer days. There's less 90-degree days in our forecast, but there is still some warm ups, as we will see that definitely wind is going to be one of our driving factors to give us some ups and downs. But here for the time being, we're looking at near normal temperatures. We've had some warm temperatures to start the week, and that pullback is starting to push in. Now, as mentioned, we are going to start to tap into more of an easterly wind. Not too strong. The breeze, not too much of a concern here for our Wednesday, but that easterly pull pulls that moisture in from the central plains up through the Rockies. And that brings a bigger threat for severe weather to the southern section there of I-25 into Colorado. So it is an isolated severe threat, but that is in place with that potential for even mixing in that area of some downpours possible. We are noting that we are going to have a system that's pushing through, bringing everyone that chance for some showers and then a little bit more organization there as it works its way into those plain regions. So we'll have to watch the intensification of that first round to then the second round being a potential of a more widespread threat. This is going to be a pretty warm pocket we have here Thursday morning that will then lead to these storms to continue to carry across our basin areas there and those mountain ranges to then see again more of that organization on Thursday afternoon for more severe weather potential, as well as some more of those decent downpours. So staying active here through the middle of the week, where temperatures, as mentioned, will be near normal. 90 into Sheridan, 87 into Riverton, 72 into Yellowstone, 81 into Rock Springs, where much of east of the divide is just around those mid-80s. So again, not too far off from that average high of 83. Thursday, we do get a little bit more of that southerly flow, so there will be temperatures that will flirt with that 90-degree potential. Really will be dependent on cloud coverage as well as seeing when those storms will develop. We'll note that Thursday is going to be a bit breezy with that frontal system approaching, which will linger us with some showers on Friday and a high of 81. The good news is the weekend will be bright, but it does bring us that push of temperatures back towards the 90s before we'll be talking some windy concerns for early next week.